Hello, well coders. Today we're gonna start another video. This time we're gonna go over escape sequences. As you can see, I already created the class under the day3 package, and escape sequences are pretty simple. They're a way for you to write a list of special characters that you want to print out. Each escape sequence has to start with a backlash, and we're gonna go over the first one that I'm aware of, which is how to create a new line. So obviously, if I were to tell you to create a new line and say, um, hello world folders, oops, and then I was to tell you to write down, this is the day3 video. That's how you would do it. And if we print this out, we would get two lines. Hello world coders, this is the day3 video. However, there's a way for you to write both of these under the same line. So the first thing we're going to do is let's just have this print line. This print line right here allows us to just skip a line. That's all it is. It allows us to skip a line on the bottom. There's a better way to do that, but that's just an easy way to do it right now. So we're going to type system out dot print that line open hello world folders. Now, instead of creating a separate print line, what you're going to do is backlash. Oops, sorry. And this one is the backlash, at least on a regular keyboard, is found under the backspace button. The letter N for new line. And notice that at least with my visual setting, it does appear a different color. It's orange compared to the rest of the text that's green. And you're going to write, this is the day3 video. Boom. As you can see, oops, I put a space right here. As you can see, it wrote, hello wall coders. This is the day3 video. The reason why you see a tab space in front is because I put the space right here. So technically you don't need the space like this. If you see, it's going to print everything out perfectly. I just like putting the space in between just so it's easier to read. This is not something I would recommend to use for a new line. The readability of this is so much more difficult compared to this one, especially if you're creating multiple lines. However, if this is a solo project and again, you're the only one looking at it, I would recommend doing it like this just because it can save you space. And again, instead of writing two separate lines, you have one. If you wanted to write 4 lines, instead of having 4 lines, you might just have 2 lines instead. So again, just remember, this is the new line, escape. Let me put it underneath it. Sequence. And the way to do it is just to do backspace or reverse backspace. Not reverse backspace, but backlash. And that's how it has to start. That's it, really. If you enjoyed the video, let me know. Like, comment, subscribe. And in the next video, we're going to go over other escape sequences. I just want to do one at a time that way you can get a hold of it. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys later. Peace.